fat loss expert, which basically means that I help people lose weight, fit into tighter clothes, and feel more comfortable in their own skin. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about green tea and green tea's effect on weight loss. Green tea is regarded as one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It's loaded with various different substances and many antioxidants that are great for our health. But the thing that really sells people on green tea is the fact that it has been linked to helping people burn fat and lose weight. But what about other teas? What exactly makes green tea so special? Well, one thing that green tea has that makes people lose weight is caffeine. Even though 1 cup of green tea has much less caffeine than a cup of coffee, the caffeine in green tea still has its effect. Everyone knows that caffeine is a stimulant that gets your heart rate higher, but most people don't know that by getting your heart rate higher, that caffeine is actually increasing your metabolism. However, this isn't the only way that people lose weight with green tea. This was proven when there were tests done on people that were having caffeinated green tea as well as people that were having decaffeinated green tea. People that were having decaffeinated green tea were still losing more weight as compared to those people that weren't having green tea at all. So it's not all in the caffeine. So if it's not the caffeine, what is it exactly that makes people lose weight from green tea? Green tea has potent antioxidants inside them known as catechins. The great thing about catechins is that unlike ephedra and other types of stimulants, catechins do not stimulate your nervous system, which means unlike those other stimulants that you buy to lose weight over the counter at your vitamin store, you won't have a seizure and you won't be bleeding out of your nose every time that you blow it. Catechins are really an amazing thing. They have such amazing effects that even when they're isolated from the rest of the tea, they still produce amazing results across the board. Catechins have not only been linked to weight loss, but have also been linked to lowering LDLs, which are your bad type of cholesterol, also raising HDL, which is your good cholesterol, and lowering your blood pressure, along with many other benefits. The most important of these catechins is EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. This is a substance and a type of catechin that can actually boost your metabolism. Certain studies have even shown that it can actually slow the growth of cancer and even stop it from growing completely. Burning fat is a very complicated process, so it's not like somebody's just sitting there waiting to press a button for you to start burning fat. Even though most fitness experts will tell you that it's just calories in and calories out, it's a lot more than that, and a lot of that has to do with the regulation of hormones in your body. So first, in order to burn fat, the fat has to be broken down in the fat cell and released into the bloodstream. We have a hormone that's released in our body known as norepinephrine. When norepinephrine is released into your body and is picked up by your nervous system then sends signals to your fat cells to begin the breakdown of fat. Now the reason why I'm telling you this is because there's a whole ton of different types of enzymes and hormones in our body that all have their function. And there are particular enzymes and hormones that will actually block norepinephrine if they are released. This is very important for survival reasons. For example, if we're starving, it's very good to not have norepinephrine run wild throughout our body because we'll burn off all the fat off of our body and starve. However, for people trying to lose weight, these enzymes can block norepinephrine, and that will actually get your body to stop burning fat. Now this all ties back to EGCG because EGCG will inhibit the enzymes that are inhibiting the norepinephrine from being released into your bloodstream and detected by your central nervous system and then releasing that fat from your fat cells. So what all that means is that by having that EGCG, you'll also have more norepinephrine and more fat cells being broken down. Green tea can help us burn more fat during exercise. However, what most people don't know is that green tea has been shown to burn a ton of fat at rest as well. Most studies agree that even at rest, green tea will burn 3 to 4% more calories throughout the day. Some studies even say that it burns as much as 8% more calories throughout the day. And to top that off, green tea has been shown to burn that visceral fat, that deep fat that sits around our organs and leads to a number of different types of diseases that we do not want. There's also 2 things that are really cool that are being studied right now. One of them is a study done only on animals so far, and it proposes that green tea can reduce the amount of fat that we absorb from food. These results are not yet conclusive because the tests haven't been performed on humans and only on animals for now. Another thing is that several claims have been made that green tea can actually lower your appetite. However, results are very mixed and it hasn't been completely confirmed by any one particular study. So now that I've pumped you guys all up about green tea, I'm gonna have to break a couple hearts of the viewers that are stepping on the scale every single day. There is no magic pill or potion that's gonna do it for you overnight with no effort.
For health